everyone, welcome back to the Almost Naked Chef. I'm your host Miranda May, here bringing you fun, creative food ideas and tips that'll help make you feel good naked. Today on TidBit Tuesday, I am going to give you one fine little tip about your turkey. Brining is very important. Now, of course, you can certainly, cook a bird without the brining or any meat, whatever you'd like. It's, of course, going to be fine. However, our tidbit today is to tell you that brining does wonders when it comes to the meat. Brining will add moisture and it will also tenderize the meat. With your holiday feast, you should brine your bird, completely submerge the bird, about 6 quarts of water, and for a 12 to 16 pound bird. So try to just completely submerge it in a lovely little brining mixture. I even put orange peels in there, okay? Like cinnamon sticks, orange peels, just throw the whole thing in there. Some salt, of course. Brining your bird, just to try it out, and I can guarantee you it will be extra juicy. We love things extra juicy, and it will tenderize it, and it'll just be very succulent. If you want a really juicy bird, definitely be sure to brine your bird. Thank you for joining into Tidbit Tuesday. I hope that you take this lovely little tidbit and apply it to your holiday feast. Certainly give it a go. I will attach some links for some brining recipes below. If I can remember the one that I used last year, I'll certainly add that. But if not, I will add some really good ideas. And join us next week for another fun little tidbit.